Hey guys, so I'm working on this ring today and I came across something that would make a really good example. See this spot of silver here? I'm trying to flux it. This is a good sign that your silver isn't clean when it just kind of wants to rub off. See how it's rubbing off right there? Even though I filed it and haven't touched it with my fingers, it's got grease or something on it that's not allowing the flux to stick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe this off, hit it with some abrasive paper, and that should solve the problem. It's not that big of a deal. I could go ahead and solder this and it would solder just fine. But the more precautions you take beforehand, the less issues you're likely to run into, if that makes sense. For any of you new guys, if you're experienced, you already know this. But for any of you new people, this is something you want to keep in mind. It's just when you're learning how to solder, keeping everything clean and pristine is going to improve the time it takes for you to learn this. So if you got silver or gold that's not letting flux sit on top of it, you need to wipe the flux off and get it extra clean.